Good morning, students. I hope you are all well. So we have done exercise 8.2 till now. Okay. And as I've told you, question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you want to do it, you can do them. Okay. But those questions are not important for your examination purpose. Okay. We'll move on with exercise 8.3. This chapter is in itself very complicated chapter. There are lots of very difficult questions in this chapter. Okay, and due to shortage of time, I am not going to go into all those difficult questions because I don't think I can make you understand all these difficult questions by only online classes. Okay, I can provide you with the solution if you want to, but that much is not sufficient. You should understand how to do such questions. You should understand how to prepare for such questions that I cannot provide you from just online classes. Okay, so what we will do is uh, for the next part of the chapter, those are applications of percentage. Okay, first is profit and loss, that is exercise 8.3, and then you have simple interest, that is exercise 8.4. We will do some selected questions only. Okay, so that you can grasp what the basic idea of profit and loss. We will not dwell into difficult questions for these exercises. You can practice all the difficult questions if you want to, that is up to you. And please stop sending me unnecessary message about the syllabus. Okay, the syllabus will be whatever it is covered is the syllabus for your exams. So let us start with the application of of percentage, that is profit and loss. So first of all, we about profit and loss. Profit and loss are the terms which occurs during some transaction. Okay, these are the terms which occurs during some business transaction. Okay, so to keep it simple, let us keep it very simple. Okay, suppose there is a person who is buying apples for 20 rupees per kg and selling those apples at 50 rupees per kg. Okay, then that means that person is having a profit of rupees 30 per kg of apples. Now if there is another person who is buying apples at 50 rupees per kg and selling them and again 50 rupees per kg, then that person is having no profit and no loss. Okay, and if there is a third person who is buying apples at 80 rupees per kg and selling them at 50 rupees per kg, then that person is in the loss of rupees 30 per kg of apples. Okay, so there are some terminologies associated with this transaction. Terminologies like, first is cost price. Cost price, it is the price at which the product is bought. It is the price at which the product is bought. Second, let us talk about selling price. It is the price at which the product is sold. Okay, quite easy. Now, after this we have profits and loss. Profit is when selling price is more than cost price. Selling price, short for SP, is more than cost price, short form CP. So profit is equals to SP minus CP. Okay, you need to note all these terms. Next, Along with it, allow me to introduce you to profit percentage. Profit percentage is profit upon cost price into 100. Okay. Next is loss. When do the businessman get a loss? When selling price is less than cost price. When a person is buying at a higher price and selling at a lower price, then it is called loss. So loss will be CP, cost price minus selling price. Again, with loss we have loss percentage. Loss percentage will be loss upon cost price into 100. These are the formulas that we are going to use in this exercise. Okay, so let us start with some easy questions and then we will move on to some difficult questions. First of all, question number 1. Question number 1 is an article, this is exercise 8.3 by the way. Okay. Question number 1 is an article bought for rupees 80 was sold for rupees 90. Okay. Find gain or loss percent. Okay, so first of all we will classify the terms. Bought price is cost price. Cost price of the article is rupees 80 and selling price of the same article is rupees 90. Okay, so now here we can see selling price is more than cost price, therefore the person is at a profit. Profit is equals to, let me write down the formula first, SP minus CP, that is 90 minus 80. So the person is having a profit of rupees 10. Now let us talk about profit percentage. Profit percentage will be profit upon cost price into 100. So here profit is rupees 10, cost price is rupees 80 into 100. 0 is cancelled out by 0. 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 8 twos are 16.5. The profit he makes is 12.5%. Okay, so that is D option. Okay, so this was the basic question. Now we will move on to some more advanced questions. Let us take question number 5. Question number 5 is, I am not writing question number 5 because it is quite lengthy. Obviously it takes a lot of time. I hope you have the book to see the question number 5. Question number 5 is, I will read it out. A shopkeeper bought an almirah from a wholesaler for rupees 4500. That means cost price of almirah is equals to rupees 4500. Okay, and then selling price, and he sold it for rupees 6000. selling price of Almirah is equals to rupees 6,000. Okay, now we have to determine profit or loss percentage. Again, quite easy. Now here selling price is more than cost price, so is the shopkeeper is having a profit. Profit is selling price minus cost price. So it will be 6,000 minus 4500, that will be 1500 rupees. Okay, that will be the profit. And now we have to determine the profit percentage. Profit percentage will be profit is 1500, cost price is 4500 into 100. Zeros and zeros are cancelled, 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. So this is 100 upon 3%, or you can say 33.33%. Okay, both the answers are correct. Next is question number 6. Question number 6 is, a vendor buys 5 lemon for rupees 7. Okay, so cost price of 5 lemon is equals to rupees 7. Okay, but we are not interested, we are never interested in 5 lemon. We are interested in cost price of 1 lemon. Okay, so if someone is saying cost price of 5 lemon is rupees 7, so cost price of 1 lemon will be rupees 7 upon 5. Easy. Okay, and selling price of 1 lemon, this question is very smart. It has given cost price of 5 lemon and selling price of only 1 lemon. That is why we determined the cost price of 1 lemon only. So now selling price of 1 lemon is equals to rupees 1.75. Okay, so on solving this, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Okay, so cost price of 1 lemon will be rupees 7 upon 5, that is rupees 1.4. You can say 1.40, and selling price of 1 lemon is rupees 1.75. Okay, so now here once again we can see selling price is more than cost price. So profit is equals to SP minus CP, that will be 1.75 minus 1.40. On solving it, you will get rupees 3.5. Sorry, I miswrote it, 0.35. Okay. Next, we have to determine the value of profit percentage. Profit percentage, as you already know, profit upon cost price into 100. So it will be profit is 0.35, cost price is 1.40 into 100. We cancel decimal with decimal, so this is 35 upon 140 into 100. You solve this, you get your answer. I will leave solving this part to you. Okay, now let us do last exercise, last question that we are going to do about this exercise. Okay, we will only do up till question number 8 here. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, by selling a bicycle for rupees 2024, a shopkeeper loses 12%. So it is telling us that SP, selling price of bicycle, is rupees 2024. This is selling price of the bicycle. A shopkeeper loses 12%. Loss percentage is equals to 12%. Okay. Now we don't know. Let us pause for here and try to find out cost price here. Okay. In all this transaction, there should be a variable cost price. Okay. We don't know the value of cost price here. So let CP be rupees X. So according to the formula of loss percentage, it is loss is cost price minus selling price upon cost price into 100. This is the formula of loss percentage. Okay, we do not know the cost price here, so I am trying to find out value of cost price first of all. Loss percentage already know, 12 is equals to cost price we don't know, X. Selling price is 2024 upon X into 100. So let us simplify it. I will cross multiply X to the left hand side. 12 into X is equals to 100X minus 202400. 100 is multiplied by both the numbers inside the bracket. X is transported to right hand side. So this will be 12X is equals to 100X minus 202400. Transporting all the X to the one side, 202400 will be equal to 100X minus 12X. Now we already know how to solve 100X minus 12X, that is 88X. And lastly, we have to determine the value of X, that will be 202400 upon 88. We need to solve this now. First of all, 7 4 28 4 22 4 5s are 20 0 4 7s are 28 0 0. Okay, after this let's try with 11 4s are 44. It is not happening. So then let's start with 2 4 5s are 20 0 4 6, it is 6, sorry. Then again by 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 0 0, and 11 times, so it is 2300 rupees. So this is the cost price. Now let us move to the second part of the question. Question is saying, if he wishes to make a gain of 12%, what should be its selling price? This was the original cost price of bicycle. Okay, this was the original cost price of bicycle, 2300 rupees. Okay, so now question is asking us, if the shopkeeper wanted to make a profit of 12%, so new case, when profit of 12%. Okay, so profit percentage will be, profit is selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. We know the profit percent to be 12, selling price we don't know in this case, so this will remain the selling price, and cost price is 2300, we just calculated. I will simplify it quickly. So 23 is transported to the other side. This will be 12 into 23 is equals to SP minus 2300. Okay. So let us multiply 23 and 12. 12 3s are 36, 3, 12 2s are 24 and 27. And when this is transported to left hand side, we get 2300 plus as SP. So value of SP should be equal to 675 2576 rupees for shopkeeper to have a profit of 12%. Okay, I know this is a tough chapter. Okay, so try to watch this video 2-3 times so that you can understand it well. Okay, so now there is only one question remaining, that is question number 7. I hope you can do that by yourself. Okay, and all the option questions you can do that in your book. Okay, so then thank you for your time. Have a nice day.